12 Tribes' spiritual purpose for DNA assembly. Previous to the Atlantean cataclysm, each of the groups of the angelic human 12 Essene tribes were entrusted as guardians of a section of the Emerald Founder records, which held extensive consciousness knowledge about the star origins and genetic template information that was recorded on 12 holographic discs. These discs contained ancient builder technology templates, complex math for building complex architecture, for levels of structural planning for physical communities, as well as for writing code for projecting holographic realities. The result of these extremely advanced building methods can be recognized in some of the remaining ancient civilizations' architecture that is completely ignored by mainstream archaeology today. These advanced civilizations had access to the holographic discs that held the blueprints for ancient builder technologies that were in existence before the Atlantean flood. The discs included transmissions of advanced quantum physics knowledge, outlining specific blueprints for morphogenesis of species, as well as mapping out the planetary Stargate access coordinates. They also included humanity's cosmic genetic origins and history, ascension and timeline mechanics, consciousness alchemy formulas, and DNA genetic key codes that corresponded to that particular tribe's planetary Stargate mission. All 12 genetic components of the 12 tribes hold one strand of DNA code for reassembling the crystal gene for the diamond sun body or silicate matrix that is key-coded to activate the 12 layers of the planetary Stargate system. This provides the means to contact our higher stations of identity as spiritual bodies and to connect with the conscious living light and sound frequencies in the holographic matrix. The instruction sets to rebuild and reassemble the 12-strand DNA pattern are held in the genetic keys found in the Cosmic Crystalla blueprint, which makes up the 12-tree grid manifestation template. Through the individual and planetary spiritual ascension process that takes place during several root race evolution cycles, the integration and healing of all 12 levels of DNA coding through its genetic components potentially unite and merge to form the complete silicate matrix. These dual forces of polarity, male and female, are designed to spiritually integrate and synthesize within the angelic human body while naturally evolving on the ascending earth. As a result of the forces of alchemy and energetic synthesis made between inner and outer layers of these multidimensional consciousness forces, the spiritual embodiment of the original 12-strand DNA of the diamond sun body is then made available to the planet and humanity through DNA assembly. Thus, ascending individuals are gradually repairing and regenerating their DNA template so they are able to open and move through stargates safely. The diamond sun body represents full consciousness freedom for an ascending human being, in which the inner Christos is fully activated with the flowering of the sacred crystal heart. As a result, the spiritually ascending human is able to transmute their consciousness out of time and into 0 point, moving through stargates into another location. Therefore, they are free to leave the prison planet, freed from the enforced mind control and reincarnation cycle occurring in the lowest density of Earth. In essence, the holographic discs contain the entire genetic source code and blueprint architecture library for the Diamond Sun template including the schematics of the multidimensional planetary body layers as generated from the original Emerald Founder creators. In addition to the ancient wisdom revealed in the unifying principles of the cosmic sovereign laws, the holographic discs also contain the complete book of maps and genetic keys that are necessary to gain full access into the universal 12-tree grid holographic matrix from within the Grual points or Grail points of the planetary Stargate system. Access to Diamond Sun body templates and specific details about planetary Stargate quantum mechanics are highly coveted by the negative alien controlling groups because they believe it is their ticket to ride on out of this universal time matrix. Thus, the sacred knowledge included in all 12 of these holographic discs, the ascension mechanics that describe the unity principles of the Law of One, have been violently fought over by many negative intruding groups. These negative alien groups competing for Earth domination have repeatedly sought to either control humans as puppets for carrying out their agendas or massacre the Magi priest kings and their human tribe team members. Lightworker persecution memories include being hunted down as a part of the Christos family mission and remembering lifetimes in the 12-tribe Essene lineages that have currently incarnated during the ascension cycle as indigos. The negative alien agenda seek to gain full domination of the Earth and beyond through gaining unrestrained access to all of the Emerald Founder records, ancient builder technology, and all related sacred knowledge that is ultimately the divine birthright of every angelic human being.